Thank you for visiting the Guilderland Central School District Budget Development Community Survey. We value your input as we make decisions about the first draft of the budget for the 2016-2017 school year, particularly since it looks like we are facing yet another difficult year. Let me explain. Under the governor's recently released budget, the level of proposed state aid for our school district is disappointing at best. Under his plan, our basic operating aid, known as foundation aid, is flat compared to the current year. And to make matters worse, only about 30% of the nearly $2 million of the GEA, or the Gap Elimination Adjustment, that is owed to us is restored. In fact, the aid proposed to support our students in 2016-2017 is still less than we received in 2008-2009. Furthermore, the Consumer Price Index for 2015, a key multiplier in the calculation of our tax levy limit, is nearly 0%. This means that the amount of revenue that the district can levy without seeking approval from a supermajority of voters is very small. It would be even smaller were it not for construction growth in the town of Guilderland. Given these factors, our school district would be about $100,000 over the tax levy limit next year just to maintain current programming. However, our building and program leaders have identified close to $800,000 of additional needed and/or mandated resources for 2016-2017. This is why we need your help. We would like you to think about 4 basic options the district could pursue to balance our budget for next year, given these current factors. Here are those options. Option A, make reductions to current programs and services. Option B, deny requests for additional resources to support student needs and enrollment changes. Option C, dip into the district's fund balance to make up any revenue shortfalls. And option D, challenge the tax levy threshold and present a budget that will require approval of a supermajority of voters. Please take some time to review the information provided below. Then click on our survey, which should take no more than 10 minutes to complete.